welcome back. I'm just on the way to pick up Jordan, and then we're going to go and service the Countax. It's quite a way to go to just pick him up actually.
After 500 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
We've got another, what's the time now? It's 20 past 9. It says we're going to get there at 10 past 10. Yeah, we're not rushing, the people we're going to are not in. So we're going to go there. I've only got that to service today.
Cross the roundabout, second exit, Essex Regiment Way.
It's really the first thing, so there you go. But yeah, so we're off to service this Countax. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get much filmed or not. It depends. If the bloke is there, then obviously I won't. But I don't think he's going to be there today, so he's left the key in a safe spot for me. So like I say, I'll film a bit more. I was just going to mention the rollover video. If anybody's seen the rollover video, it's only about a minute long, so it's worth checking out. There was only 4 cars come out for it. I don't blame them because the height of the ramp was nearly up to my chest, so it was quite high. Yeah, only 4 come out to it. One did roll over twice, as you've seen in the video. The second car was a silver. I think it was a Corsa. I'm sure, I can't remember. He had a little sleep, knocked himself out. It took us about 10 minutes to get him out of the car because he's a big bloke and we just couldn't just pull him out. So we had to wait for him to come right round before we get him out of the car. But he was okay, he's fine. He's okay. I think the worst one was the last car. What doesn't roll, it just hits the ramp. It's such a jolt when you hit the ground, when you land like that. I mean, he really did hurt himself. He really hurt his back. I mean, only a young lad, you know, typical. Oh no, I'm alright.
After 500 yards,
I did get the first aid to go and have a look at him.
Second exit.
Because he kept saying, no, you don't need him. It don't hurt, just to check him out. I bet he was sore the next day. I bet they were all were, but they were good lads because only 4 people volunteered to do that out of probably there's probably a good 100 drivers there, I'd say.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Like I say, only 4 volunteered to do it.
Essex Regiment
And the one who did it at the end, the poor one who didn't turn over, he really wasn't too sure in the first place. But give him credit because he did it. You know what I mean? I wouldn't want to do it. We used to have a smaller ramp at Braintree, only about 1.5 foot high. Oh, this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Oh shit. Let's queued right up. The lorries are stopped. We're going to change our direction. I only want to go to the next roundabout. I only want to go to the next roundabout. What if I can go through? So I'm going to go try a different route. I only want to go to that one. Shall I try a different route? Yeah. Oh shit, I know what way I can go. I'm going to go right round the roundabout and we're going to go up Sands Castle. Oh mate, way out of the way please, thank you. Could go that way, but I think I'll be worse off.
Right on the roundabout, second exit, A130, Essex Regiment Way.
I think that's that, and I was going to be confused a little bit as well.
After
what we're going to do is head up to the castle, only place the B-bands. I know something about
sharp left. After 100
yards, we'll tell you that. Right, I'll speak to you in a bit once we've sorted all this out, where we're going. Right, change of direction you see, going in the Great Leys now. It's where the race course is. Well, it's literally just over there behind the house, it's just on the main road. It used to be the old Essex showground, but now it's a race course, horse racing. And I'll just show you this pub up here on the right hand side, because that's where we used to meet in the bike club.
After 400 yards, turn right.
So, I've shown you the other pub when that closed. So that's the one at Riverville Fox in the A12. And then we moved to this pub here, Sands Castle. Great Leys.
Turn right,
called the Castle.
Road.
And that post office there is where I'm pointing at, you can't see, that post office we just see is where my old landlord and landlady from the pub down the road to me have moved to. Yeah, so yeah, I'll pop in and see them soon as well. I've done a couple of times. Nice people. Down here, I don't know how far it is, I won't be able to show you, I think it's too far down here, is where I had a head on with a skip lorry. And I don't think I've been down here, I might have been down here once down this end. Once since then. But I would have come out on this road further up, so I haven't lost nothing. In fact, I've probably gained a bit of time after being held up. But the pain when you're running late, I mean, I want to get this job done, it's going to take us a few hours to do it. And also I've got to get back yet, it's another hour. It's the Finch, one of Finch's lorries. Look, traffic behind that, mind you, see there's so many lorry companies up here, there's skip lorries, there's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, that's a local firm, Finch, GB Finch. They do skips, they do, I don't know if they do skips anymore, they used to do skips. They do obviously cement, they do grab lorries and stuff like that, bulker lorries. I'm just going to keep filming because I think we'll have the accident, it's just up there, just past his house, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure where it was. I think that was the house, that was the, yeah, here, this corner here. And no, it wasn't, there's this corner here, see this post here?
Turn left.
I don't know. This post here. This second, the furthest post pulled away. I don't know if you can see it. Lorry come around, hit me, and a bit more of a ditch there. Then I end up backwards in there. So yeah, happy days. Back on track now. This is where we would have come out on this road. The other end of Boreham Road. Yeah, like I say, it wasn't a good bad day, so I did have some more footage. Wherever I go, there's big bloody dust cars, isn't there? Yeah, I did have some more footage of the racing Sunday, but it wasn't that good. It wasn't worth trying to make a film of it. Job to film stuff when you're on the tow truck, because the thing when it's sitting still bouncing up and down, you know, plus the dust and everything else. I just thought of that, actually thinking about it. I haven't checked them, I can't see from here how clean the lens is. Probably not that clean. Oh well, not a lot to do about it now. But, yeah, we're about halfway, I'm guessing, to pick up Jordan. And then, like I say, we'll film a bit more. I'll put the camera on again when we go past Doze. We go past where they do the Doze show. So I'll put it on again there somewhere, just have a look, just might be able to see some machines or something. You never know. Well, there's something interesting happens before that. See in a bit. Got through that first lot, didn't we? And then just after I turned the camera off, yeah, I was definitely on the bonk, that's a bit better, I think. Yeah, just got past that and we're 2 miles from the junction and we're queuing up for the junction now. Oh god, it's never going to get there. There you go. That's quite nicely done up round in front, isn't it? Quite like that. Yeah, but no, we'll get there in the end. Would you want to live in that house there, right next to the road like that? I know I wouldn't. when this is not queued up like in the morning like it is now, this is a fast bit of road. I don't think I'd want to live there. I just imagine what's like in the rain and that, and cars come flying past. You must be indoors listening to the water hitting the windows all the time.
New arrival time 10:19. You are still on the fastest route.
I'm still on the fastest route. I think he lies. See that? That's the hoppers filling up for the ready mix. I've got the camera on at the right angle. You might not better see it, you might better see it, I don't know. That's ready for the ready mix lorries up. Those, you know, what you can see. You can see anything at all on the right hand side. Those, well, on both sides really. Those are machines in there you can't see because it's placed the wrong way. We've got someone on the day, a lot of people here. Those is the shop. That's sort of like the beginning of the show bit there. Christ, they've got some gear in that place. Millions and millions of pounds worth of stuff. Oh well, keep going. We've still got another, half an hour. Right, well, we're here now. The Honda engine in it. Just any warm up, we're going to drain the oil and that out of it. Sounds really nice in here. Yeah, 11, it only took us a couple of hours to get here, hasn't it? Yeah. Don't back it into the wall. Just go straight. Two youngsters, they can't go straight back, have to steer it. Bloody lorry drivers. Go straight back, you'll be alright, and we just take it off out the side there. Leave it there behind that tree. Good shade there, isn't it? We'll take it off. That'll do. We'll just release it. And then we'll take it off. Should just that might be a bit tight. Hang on, I'm gonna have to release the clamp here. Hang on, let me take it to the camera. So all you do is put this down, undo these clips here, one here, pull this bar down, and then you should be able to get hold of it. That should come to like that. Obviously you have to disconnect your belt, well this one's already off. Yeah? Would you want to do it out here or? Well, it's quite nice here, isn't it? Not too sunny, is it? Yeah, we'll do it here. Yeah, switch it off. Might be a bit too hot that oil now. Probably. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? There we go, take the little test one off the service. They haven't been using the sweep, the belt was off of it, so I don't know if it come off and they just didn't realise or they didn't know how to use the sweep, I'm not too sure. Gordon's in the pits. Really needs a couple more brushes on it, a couple of brushes out on it. Right, isn't it? Sweet enough. I've been using the brush actually because there's a little dumping ground over there. Gordon's having a little go. We've actually filled the grass box right up on it now, so as we ain't got the sweep on. So I reckon, I mean, the belt's been in effect for a long time, so I don't think they've been using it, but we've filled it right up. Right, isn't it? Yeah. Been getting stuck. Getting bits of tree in the deck, so we're going to have to brush it down again and we're done. But we've done that now, so we're going to have some sandwiches, aren't we? Yeah. Because Heidi's told us we've got to. But Jordan said we'll chuck them out the window and tell Heidi that we've vet them.
McDonald's it is.
McDonald's it is. Don't know, because then Charlie will moan at you.
No, she won't know.
She will if she sees this.
She knows what it is.
Yeah, but I might show her. So we'll see you in a little bit. Oh, another one. Take, what was it, 7? 8?
Yeah.
Take 8, right. We've done that. We've done that now, and we're going to have some sandwiches because Heidi's told us we've got to.
Yep.
But Jordan said we've got to chuck them out the window.
McDonald's it is.
McDonald's it is then. No, because then I'm going to get moaned at for Charlie.
She won't know.
She will if I show her this.
But you won't show this.
I ain't going to answer that one. we didn't get that far before.
No.
That's balls it up, isn't it?
Fuck's sake. Someone forgot their lines.
Lines. Well, that's going to do, because even though he swore, I'm going to leave that one.
Okay.
See you in a bit. I've just popped in my brother's on the way home, and this is just down the road. Look, it's, what is it? What's the helicopter, is it? Apache. And it's broke down. Apparently it's been here nearly a week. So I'm going to get my van and go over there and sort it out for him. Don't know where you can see it. But yeah, it's broken down. So it's different, isn't it? And obviously they've got the army are here camping out and doing the security. I'll have to go and give me card to him, I reckon. Yeah. Because they haven't phoned me yet. I mean, it's only like a lawnmower upside down, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah.
You'll be okay with that, alright?
Yeah, I don't think we'll have a problem. So we'll, I'm assuming now I'm filming it.
Well, I'd always give you a push and see if it...
Well, yeah, I mean, you've got a set of jump leads, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just, you know. That's something different, isn't it?
Alright.
So the AA can cope with something like that, so they need to call us.
Yeah. I think it just needs a pull cord.
New pull cord, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably a plug or something gone down on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I reckon. But it's different, isn't it? Right, just on my way home now, so we'll end up to finish the video up. Yeah, different. I hope you see the helicopter. Like I say, it's a little bit different.
After 300 yards, turn right.
It's sat now. Yeah, a bit different to see the helicopter. Won't expect to see that tonight. Apparently that's been there since Friday. It landed there to go to the
Turn
store
right,
there. And,
Crown Street.
yeah, it landed there to show the kids, and apparently we should start afterwards. And it's been there since Friday, so you'd have thought by now the army would have got in there and took it off on a lorry or something, I suppose. But, yeah, something different, isn't it? But like I say, we'll end up the video now. We've done the service. I've been walking around with Jordan all day. It's now 26 minutes past 8 at night, and he's fixing to come over the bridge, is he? Let's see this. Yeah, so I obviously spent a bit of time with my brothers, so I'm going to be in trouble when I get home. And yeah, it's been a bad day actually. Obviously it didn't take us that long to do the service. I didn't bother showing you because I'm sure you'd get bored watching us do that. But yeah, so I've left the grass bag there full up because we tried that. We weren't too sure whether they'd tip it, but the belt wasn't on it when we got there, so I think that's why they had picked up the grass that was there. But it's a nice machine that. Anyway, I'm nearly home, so I'm going to go. Take it easy everyone, I hope everybody's okay, all the usual stuff. If you like, subscribe, whatever, all the usual stuff, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.